Starting around 31 October 2023, Star Atlas DAO actually truly is exchanging at 12 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.3% in truly most recent 60 minutes, pretty fundamentally, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Polis in a real sense generally has an in every practical sense, complete market cap of $18,719,822 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $196,103 in an unobtrusive manner. This by and large sort of makes Star Atlas DAO, Polis, especially positioning at 586 in the digital money market, in a very fundamentally significant manner. In the event that you for the most part are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in a real sense explicitly is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2023, what will Star Atlas DAO by and large be reasonably especially worth in 2023, which fundamentally especially is genuinely huge in an unpretentious manner? Is Star Atlas DAO a sort of wise speculation or entirely worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will Polis cost actually by and large outperform its record-breaking high, actually most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking? These certainly are our Star Atlas DAO cost expectations for Polis's S-future, or so they especially thought in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas DAO, Polis, value expectation 2023 as per the Star Atlas DAO estimate, besides Polis can in every way that really matters, arrive at a sort of greatest value level of 13 cents in an exceptionally significant manner. Star Atlas DAO value expectation August 2023. The cost of Star Atlas DAO truly is essentially anticipated to especially reach at a sort of least worth of $0.096 in August 2023, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. The Polis cost could really arrive at a genuinely greatest worth of 11 cents, with the very extremely normal exchanging worth of 11 cents all through 2023, which is genuinely critical, which essentially is very huge. Star Atlas DAO value expectation September 2023. Star Atlas DAO cost generally is supposed to generally reach between 11 cents to 11 cents in September 2023, while the extremely normal cost of Polis for the September truly remains around 11 cents. Star Atlas DAO value conjecture October 2023. The especially normal cost of Star Atlas DAO, Polis, might in every way that really matters certainly go to 11 cents toward the finish of October 2023, or so they for the most part thought. Polis could in every way that really matters be exchanging around a very most certainly greatest worth of 12 cents, with the kind of sort of least expected cost of 11 cents, or so they fundamentally thought, which is very huge. Polis value figure November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Star Atlas DAO by and large is supposed to essentially truly arrive at an entirely least value worth of 11 cents, which generally shows that actually for the most part is Star Atlas DAO a sort of wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2023, or so they by and large sort of thought. The Polis cost could truly arrive at a greatest cost of 12 cents, with the really normal cost around 12 cents, in a kind of sort of enormous manner. Star Atlas DAO value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the cost of Star Atlas DAO basically is supposed to generally be at around a very least of 12 cents, which certainly in a real sense shows that assuming that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what for the most part is the Star Atlas DAO cost expectation end of 2023. What will Star Atlas DAO especially be truly worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Star Atlas DAO cost can in every practical sense, all things considered, arrive at a sort of limit of 13 cents, with the sort of typical cost of 12 cents in United States dollars, in every practical sense, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Star Atlas DAO past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Star Atlas DAO's cost sort of has shown an essentially decent increment of 2.58% in the truly most recent 24 hours, which especially fundamentally shows that besides Polis can by and large for the most part arrive at an in every practical sense greatest value level of 13 cents. Which really is genuinely critical. Star Atlas DAO generally is confronting a very fundamentally tough time jumping aboard with extremely other crypto coins, or so they basically thought. The Polis explicitly basically is down to nearly 2.19% in the very most recent 7 days, showing that this sort of in every practical sense makes Star Atlas DAO, Polis, kind of positioning at 586 in the digital money market, or so they certainly essentially thought. The coin in every practical sense, especially is yet showing gambling with outlining sections for very past genuinely couple of days. The coin could in every practical sense, for the most part, have areas of strength for genuinely at the same time. We don't in a real sense feel that it would a beneficial resource in especially momentary in an unobtrusive manner. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Polis diminished by 51.641%, wiping out an incredible truly normal amount of 13 cents from its sort of especially current worth, which in every practical sense, in a real sense is genuinely critical. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially generally be an actually quite great, generally purchase an open door for extremely fast venture, especially in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking, or so they thought. Star Atlas Dow Value Conjecture 2023 Facts. What will in every way that really matters be Star Atlas Dow certainly worth in 2023, or so they thought. The Polis cost by and large is determined to really in every practical sense arrive at a sort of greatest degree of 13 cents, with in every practical sense, least cost of 12 cents toward the finish of 2023, so the Polis cost could in every practical sense arrive at an especially most extreme cost of 12 cents, with the in every practical sense, normal cost around 12 cents incredibly. Stars Atlas Dow entirely have a future, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. As far as value, Star Atlas Dow sort of has a remarkable sort of potential to by and large arrive at new levels, which fundamentally is very critical. It in every practical sense is conjecture that Polis will increment in esteem, showing how these all things considered are our Star Atlas Dow cost expectations for Polis's future, which most certainly is genuinely critical. As per decently quite certain specialists and business examiners, Star Atlas Dow can sort of raised a ruckus around town. Most certainly much the greatest cost of $0.024 till 2030, which in a real sense especially demonstrates the way that Star Atlas Dow cost can especially arrive at a truly limit of 13 cents, with the really normal cost of 12 cents in United States dollars, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Is Star Atlas Dow exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023 in an extremely significant manner in an unobtrusive way? Star Atlas Dow's worth actually for the most part is supposed to truly keep on extending, as lack will in general for the most part energize cost ascend in an unpretentious manner, or so they thought. Kindly note, there generally is a gamble to any venture, showing how might Polis cost really outperform its unequaled height, which for the most part sort of is genuinely huge, which is very critical. Only certainly in every practical sense, put resources into what you can achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and direct the very greatest exploration conceivable, exhibiting how Polis value gauge November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Star Atlas Dow actually fundamentally is supposed to truly arrive at an especially certainly least value worth of 11 cents. Which generally shows that truly generally is Star Atlas Dow a for the most part certainly wise venture or sort of